New tonight, a Maryland mother is in an immigration detention center. ICE agents accusing the 22-year-old of being in the country without documents.
Yeah, but her attorney says she's a U.S. citizen and they've not been able to contact her since she was arrested. DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg joining us live tonight in studio.
And Daniel, how did this confusion even happen?
Susan and Chris, lawyers for Dulce Consuelo Diaz-Morales says she's at an ICE detention facility in Texas as far as they know. She was arrested on December 14th. And since then, a federal judge ordered she can't be removed from the U.S. while the case is being decided. Dulce Consuelo Diaz-Morales was leaving a Taco Bell near Baltimore on December 14th when the car she was riding in was surrounded by ICE agents. Her sister Shirley was driving.
Shirley was inquiring why they were taking Dulce and repeatedly stating that they were from here, from the U.S., from the United States of America, and they were not provided an explanation as to why they were taking her sister.
Immigration attorney Zach Perez says she was born in Maryland, but lived the majority of her life in Mexico until she came back 2 years ago.
We do know that when she traveled from Mexico that it was an emergency situation and she didn't have personal documentation on her.
The Department of Homeland Security said she did not provide a U.S. birth certificate or any evidence in support of her claim that she is a U.S. citizen, further saying on October 20th, 2023, when CBP encountered her near Lukeville, Arizona, she claimed she was a citizen of Mexico.
They don't have their facts straight. It's very troubling when the government makes a mistake like this. We have ample evidence, exceptional amount of evidence.
Perez provided us with this redacted birth certificate showing Diaz-Morales was born in Maryland, as well as immunization records from Anne Arundel County.
We're dealing with a shoot first, ask questions later approach.
Perez says Diaz-Morales has talked to her family, but he has not been able to talk with her confidentially, which was supposed to happen on Monday.
I called within 5 minutes of getting that email, and I was immediately told by someone on the line, your client's not at this facility. I have never had that happen before.
It turns out she was taken from Baltimore to Louisiana and then Texas.
No one gave us a reason why, and now we're dealing with the fact that she's being held at a facility that's only supposed to house males. I've been told that directly today.
DHS says her case is being adjudicated and she is receiving full due process, going on to say all detainees have access to phones to communicate with lawyers. Perez says he tried another 10 times today to get in contact with Diaz-Morales through ICE, but was again unsuccessful. In the studio, Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.